अरे जोर से तो मजा आया तो जोर से तो सुना दो यार. Fabulous, guys. Fabulous. You know what? I'm going to brush up my Sindhi skills a little later. Not this time pick on, but enhance, as I said. I'm going to hand you over to this time to Natasha.
Hello, Ajay and Priya. You were fabulous, just like Sachin said. Amazing.
Thank you.
Amazingly well done.
Thank you.
Priya, I loved your expressions. Both of you actually had amazing expressions. Loved the ease with which you were on stage. You're really enjoying yourself. And I think that made a huge difference. Beautiful job.
Thank you.
We really, really enjoyed it.
I just want to mention one thing to all. We should all thank to Kaushi auntie because she has made such a wonderful song. I have never ever performed in any competition like this song, which is having classical, western, Punjabi beats. Everything was there. This is called dance, just known by beats, nothing else.
Agreed.
No style.
Good job. Thanks.
Thank you.
Sachin, are you sure you're not Cindy?
Yes, I'm
You're
not
sure,
Sindhi.
right?
And I have to
You
tell you
speak
that.
well.
I have to tell you this. That she is not Sindhi as well.
Oh, wow. It was
And
amazing.
she loves the song like I do. So it is no maska modifying happening here. It's a fact, it's a reality. Thank you guys, you did a brilliant job.
Good.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Natasha. नच इवेंट में अगला परफॉर्मेंस आने वाला है पर उसके पहले जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि थोड़ी सिंधी सीख ली जाए जिसको पता नहीं है यहाँ पर रहने के बाद अरबी मलयालम and Sindhi. These are three things you can't miss. If you're not there, you miss the bus. So I'm going to enhance thoda bahut mera brush up my skills. Whom do I call? Who's like the baap in Sindhi language? Who knows it all? Okay. Who's the master? Then I would say. I just said baap. Anything. Somebody, you know what? I was talking to Chetna Shastri, and she tells me, Kakkari. And I'm trying to get the right pronunciation of that. I'm going to get you the mic. Can I have the mic from that corner? All right, which side hai? No problem. मैं खुद नीचे चला जाता हूँ. Claire, if you don't mind, can you just hand over the mic to this gentleman here? The second one here.
Hello.
How do you say kakkari? Chetna's like...
Kakri. Kakri.
Louder!
Kakri.
Kakri.
Let us say, for example, not many people can pronounce being Sindhi also called Yanya. Say Yanya.
Yanya.
Like, say,
You know what?
no. Let us say Dado Sutto.
Dado sutto.
No, Dado Sutto.
Dado sutto.
No, Dado Sutto.
You're taking me back to my school days. No. Dado sutto.
Now, Sachin, whatever you want to learn, I could possibly help you with. Tell me what you
The
want
first
to
word,
say.
what was that you said?
Yanya. Yanya means Bharat.
Yeah, but
Yanya.
Yanya.
Yes.
You know what? When I say, when I came here initially and I wanted to say, I have a flair for language, I love languages. So I said, मुझे कुछ सिखा. तो उन्होंने बोला कि की आयो है. And I sounded like a Thai Sindhi.
Yeah, that's true. That's a mixture, what you say, exactly.
की आयो है.
Yeah.
And I was like, ये
I
क्या है?
said-
Thai है कि Sindhi है?
Saying means, how are you? Exactly. What you are saying, you're twisting a little bit, but you are saying, how are you? That's what.
How are you in a very humble manner, but I'm just anglicizing it.
I tell you, I met one Punjabi guy who was married to a Sindhi lady.
Uh-huh.
And he said, listen, I understand Sindhi almost all, but I can't speak. I say, I will speak 10 sentences to your wife, and if you can tell me what I said in one sentence, I'll say you learned Sindhi. Believe you me, he couldn't. So don't try that hard.
It will come automatically.
What you have learned, just learn to say, Dado Sutto. That's all.
So go into any party, uncle, kedo alai, dado sutoi, mabi dado sutoi. And it's going great. Sutto event, Nach event presented by Koshi Lalwani and the group. Next up is not a part of this competition. Now, this is a group who actually, wanted to participate. And knowing Koshi ji wouldn't let anybody down. So she said, they don't fit the age group, but what we're going to do is we're going to have them as a filler performance for you guys since they've practiced since they were so in it and they wanted to be a part of this event. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next one is not a part of the competition. Let me reiterate that. It's a group and that's called Nikhil Nitya they are called Nikhil, Nitya, Simran, and Mary and Namrata. Basically, they're showcasing husband's life after marriage. Pati Dev, husband's life after marriage? No comments, ghar jana hai sabko. So, message is, it's no more a man's world. And the song is Dil Churaye Hue Ladi. Messed it up, I think.
Kandus Baba Dil choraye ve ladi Shakaraindus Oh kadema porya khub kamaindus Nadiya ke pada shakaraindus Khaindi pista e khaja are re baba Khaindi pista e khaja are re baba Yo chakandus baba hane chakandus baba Yo chakandus baba hane chakandus baba Dil choraye Barab palindus Ladiya kam kina karaindus Ghar halaindus Barab palindus Ladiya kam kina karaindus Na 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 ta Munja vajanda band baja Hare re baba Munja vajanda band baja Hare re baba Hare chakandus baba Byo chakandus baba, hane chakandus baba, byo chakandus baba. Dil choraye ve ladi. है फिक्र बाबा
छाजो फिक्र राजा
ना है फिक्र बाबा
छाजो फिक्र राजा
ना है फिक्र बाबा
छाजो फिक्र राजा
ना है फिक्र बाबा
दिल चोराए वे लाडी
Very cute. You know, इनके बारे में बहुत सी जानकारी मुझे अभी भी मिली है कि, you know, again highlight. He's the only Sindhi. These girls are not Sindhi. So music is for everybody. And these girls and this guy have all practiced through a teacher who's pregnant. Priya, teacher from our own English high school. Let's give it out loud. In spite of being pregnant, she's actually given time, choreographed the entire song for these guys, and all of them have done a brilliant job. I would repeat that it's not part of the competition. इतना पीछे क्यों चले गए? आगे आ जाओ यार. Close, close, come close. This guy. इधर आ. Come here. बोलते ना आगे जाके वाट लगाएगा. He's one of them. Tell me, what was that one line when I asked you? You know, I was discussing with these guys, कि, you know, I want a theme, I want a message for your song. I need to understand what the song is all about and create something for the song. And as I said, कि इनके गाने का message था, it's no more a man's world, and which he did showcase. But इसका पहला reaction क्या था? What he said, जैसे मैंने कहा कि, what do you want to, you know, talk about the song? So, what did you say that time?
Nowadays, it's no more the men don't wear pants in the house. The ladies do.
He's like, nowadays, no more men wear the pants in the house. It's the ladies who wear pants and shorts. मैंने बोला, बेटा तू आजकल के ज़माने का है कि कहाँ का है? कि pants भी नहीं चलती तुझे? Well, very strong, very smart. All the kids have done a brilliant job, especially his to-be better half types in the song. Judges, any comments? All three of you for these lovely little angels. Yeah.
It was the best performance we saw today. And I'd like everybody to give them a very, very big hand. What are your names? Can you all tell me your names?
My name is Anna.
Anna,
I'm Nitya.
Nitya,
Namrata.
Namrata, and
Nikhil.
Nikhil,
Simran.
Simran. Well, congrats to all of you all. I hope when you all go on ahead, you all will continue dancing, because all of you all are very, very talented, and I feel very sad that I can't give you any marks. You all should be part of the competition, but unfortunately there are some rules. But thank you so much for coming and doing this for us. Thank you.
Group hug on stage. Come on, all of us. Let's have a group hug for all these kids. Give it out loud. Thank you. I'm going to continue my struggle to learn Sindhi. I've been told to catch home this time. You know, no offense meant, but party is something that is in the blood. Every discotheque you go, the creme de la creme crowd, I'm telling you the fact, that it is definitely the ANIs. And the best of clothes, the best of everything that you would see, the branded stuff that you see is there. Who are these people? Who are the party animals here? Who are the youngsters here? Can I see their hands up in the air? Youngsters? Generally, you would die to tell your age, chota. Yahan par I'm asking you youngsters, though you don't want to. Youngsters. Preeti's raised her hand up. Natasha, Anita, come on. Youngsters, can I see some youngsters? Wow. All the 50s and 40s are saying youngsters. Where are the youngsters? Youngsters! Party animals! Animals! Youngsters, put your hand up quickly. Naren, first line, next to Natasha. Naren, can you say 5 lines in Sindhi for me?
What do you want me to say?
Anything you want.
Janya?
Come on, I want you to say 5 lines. Come on, Naren. Come on, get up. No, here, right here, in front of these three gorgeous ladies. Naren.
Yep. Okay. Sabin ke mazo ache pyo? Dadi khushi ta sab hite aaya. And Sachin ja joke khatam kayo.
3 lines? Guys, we sail in the same ship then. You guys, we sail in the same ship then. There is no two ways about it. Next up, are we ready for the next performance, guys? Back there. group performance is coming in. And it's called Nach Ghotma. This time it's Komal, Yash, Kajal, Shweta, Arjun, Dheeraj, Raj Nandini Sharma and Karan Sharma showcasing Baraati introducing the girl to the boy's family. And the message is, Ladke wale khush naseeb hain. And highlight is the ma. That's what the ma told me. Highlight main hu, batana. Obviously, saas. You know how important it is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nach Ghotma dancing.
मिसरी जहड़ी तुझी भाजाई
शादी का माहौल तुम लोगों ने तो एकदम बना दिया भाइयों और बहनों as well. Komal, Yash, Kajal, Shweta, Arjun, Dheeraj, Rajnandini Sharma and Karan Sharma. Brilliant job. Levels down हो गए. Once again. No. Come on, once again. That's like it. Neeta. Who's representing?
I think the first half needs to be danced because actually we were not looking at anybody else except the lady there. She's brilliant. I think a very good performance and all of you were very sweet.
Any improvisations, any comments, and in particular that you think that they should have done? Anything in synchro? Because that's a group dance, so synchronization is the most important element.
Synchronization a little bit off in the end, but I think clothes could have been more bright, more colorful, and with such beautiful faces, you could have really gone to town with your clothes. You should have actually made him wear glasses.
Now that's a designer speaking for you guys. Good tip. Thank you so much, Neeta, and thank you so much, guys. Lovely performance. Second last performance for this evening for the Nach Nach competition, which is presented by Koshi Lalwani and group. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another group performance. So 2 more to go. Hold your breath. Somebody is going to get the Taj or the Nach Nach Taj. The next performance is by the group called Rockers. Now, this one consists of Kishore, Sam, Vinod, Alice, Urvashi, Ambika, Sophie, and Prince. They are showcasing marriage celebrations. Focus is on friends and families. They are the ones who enjoy the most. And the song is Ayo Ghodiyet Ghot Raja.